Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you get notified first for all my new videos. Hey my lovely people, today I'm gonna show you a special dip or spread which is prepared out of chickpeas, basically that is hummus dip. This hummus dip I've prepared at home, and that too without using any kind of tahini, and yet it comes out to be really creamy. And this you can serve with some nachos or pita bread on the side. So let's get started. Here I've got this chickpeas which I had soaked overnight and then boiled it with very little salt in it, and then I've strained it and removed the excess water out of it. If you want, you can also use the tinned ones. Next up, in the blender, transfer the boiled chickpeas. I'm using this blender, but if you want, you can also use a food processor for this. Next to this goes in some lemon juice, salt, cumin powder, few cloves of garlic, and then I'm going to add some thick or hung yogurt to this to give that creamy texture, as I'm not using tahini. But if you want to make this with tahini, simply add some roasted sesame paste here. And for the tahini sauce video, you can refer to one of my video also. Next to this goes in some olive oil. Add a good amount of olive oil, and next to this I'm going to add some warm water. Give everything a good blend for a while, and then keep checking and scraping the sides in between. And then I'm going to again add a few more tablespoons of water as required to make a smooth and creamy texture base. And one more time you can check in between and add some more olive oil in between. And again blend it for a while. You can also check for some salt and some pepper if you prefer. So you can see this smooth and creamy texture. This is how it looks. So this smooth hummus is ready. You can transfer this into a shallow bowl or plate, and then you can make some impressions on it with the help of your finger or with a spoon, swirling it around, and while serving, drizzle some more olive oil all over, because this is how it's usually served, olive oil floating on top. It's looking really beautiful. And now I'm going to sprinkle a very little red chili flakes on top and a parsley or a coriander leaf on top. So this is ready. This creamy looking hummus without tahini is ready. You can serve it with some veggies, some pita bread or nachos on the side. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video today. If yes, do give it a thumbs up, share the video and subscribe to my channel.